Good morning, students. Let everybody join. Then I'll be taking your attendance. Just writing on the group is not attendance. We are starting with the second UTs, most probably from 19th or 18th of November. Either it is going to be 18th November or it is 19th of November. So please mentally prepare yourself. Today I'll be posting the syllabus also for you people.
And from 18th and 19th?
18th or 19th of November. So you have your Diwali break till 16th November, and after that you'll have your second UTs. They will be of 40 marks, 20 marks objective, 20 marks subjective. So 20 marks are going to be objective and 20 marks are going to be subjective. This is going to be a pattern 40 marks UTs 18th and 19th November. Most probably will start either on 18th or 19th. Clear everyone? Okay.
Yes.
I'll be taking that. Yes. So that day you people had decided your syllabus yourself only. I just gave you a free choice. You only decided your syllabus. Now, let me revise one very quickly. I'm showing something to you on the screen, children. I want you to read. Let me see. Then I'll take the attendance after 2 minutes. After everybody joins, I'll take the attendance. Yes. Okay. If you can see on the screen very clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Let everybody join, then I'll take the attendance. Writing on the group is not sufficient. Please read the 2 paragraphs on your screens. By the time I'll take the attendance. 2 paragraphs on your screen, please read them carefully. I picked up a little higher level this time of comprehension, so you need to improve your level now. Let's start reading. Akshita. Akshita, are you there? Akshita Yadav. No, Akshita is there. Akshita, are you there? Ananya?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just be marking these children present. Others, no point marking present. Ananya is there. Okay. Then Anshika Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika. Okay. Ariba.
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Aryan Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, why don't you come for your bio classes?
Ma'am, that time I have a coaching.
अच्छा, और अगर स्कूल चल रहा होता then? You will get 0 in your internals. I'm telling you. If you don't come for your classes. Let me make it very clear. You have 30 marks practicals and this time we don't have practicals. Your practicals will be given on the basis of your internal marks. Your notes are not reaching me. Every student is posting the notes of every chapter. You have not sent the notes of even a single chapter to me, Aryan. You till now you have got 0 out of 30. Because I have kept 10 marks for attendance and 20 marks for the work which I give. So your attendance is also 0, your notes are also 0. You better be regular and start sending your notes. Coaching का time बदलो वरना बेटा एक साल 11 दोबारा पढ़नी पड़ेगी. Let me make it very clear to you.
Okay, ma'am.
You better change the time of your coaching. Speak to the coaching teacher. You'll have to change. Ayush Gupta. Ayush Gupta. Are you there? Devansh.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning. Devansh is there. Okay. Next is Drishti.
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Fawaz.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. On your report card. Okay. Yesterday was a Sunday. The
Okay,
office
ma'am.
people did not come. So I'll see what can be done. On the list which I had posted, what roll number it was showing of yours, Fawaz?
I'm 12.
12. नहीं 12 किस बात पे याद है? I want to avoid that confusion which was coming na in both the names. पूरा नाम बोलो बेटा. What do you write? Adib.
Ma'am, Fawaz Ali
Arif
Ahmed only.
10. You are not Arif Fawaz.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, only Fawaz Ali Ahmed.
Then why they have written Arif in front of your name?
Ma'am, because Arif was my previous name in 7th.
So I'll have to get this changed off in this list. Let me get it done today. After Fawaz, Harshita.
Present, ma'am.
Harshita. Good. Then after Harshita, we have Iti.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Iti, Mansi.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Mansi is there. Okay, Paritosh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Paritosh. Let me mark him present. Paritosh is there. Fine. Beta, you people keep reading. Have you read the second paragraph? Should I scroll it down?
No, ma'am.
Read the third. Okay, read the third one. By the time I take attendance, you don't waste your time. Prabhav,
Present, ma'am.
fine. Prateek,
Present.
fine. After Prateek, we have Priya. Okay. Ritul, Ritul. Ritul is there?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Soham.
Present, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, dear. Then Soni.
Present, ma'am.
Soni
Good morning,
Sharma.
ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Soumya.
Present, ma'am.
Soumya Srivastav, you are also there. Okay.
Yes,
Uditi.
ma'am.
Uditi
Present,
is
ma'am.
there. Good morning, dear. Utkarsh.
Present, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
I hope I'm not missed out some name. Fez. Fez joined us later, na?
Present, ma'am.
Fez, what
Good
roll
morning,
number
ma'am.
it good morning, dear. What roll number it shows in the list of yours? I need to get this corrections done in the list. Fez Ali is 22, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Fez Ali is also marked present. Ariba, Anshika, Ananya, that's
Ma'am,
all.
it's Faiz.
Okay, I need to get it corrected. It's written Fez over here. I need to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
it corrected. Fez. Akshita, are you there now? First time
Yes.
I took your name, you did not respond. So are you there?
Yes.
Now I'll mark you present. Okay. So Akshita is marked present. I hope I'm not missed out. Anyone? Everybody's name was taken. I'll be only marking these students present. Read quickly, children. Read quickly. Then I'll scroll down from the third paragraph. You have to just read roughly. If when you'll say you want to go back, I'll take you back. Whoever has finished reading, raise your hands. I just picked up a little higher level of comprehension passage this time. Okay, Iti and Ananya have already raised their hands. We'll wait for 3 more people. 5 students to raise their hand, but then participation has to be from each one of you. Soham, Soni, Soumya, very good. Many others have joined hands. Paritosh, Prabhav. Okay. Can we have a general discussion first? What is this passage about? Very good. Anshika has joined. What is this passage about?
Women's education.
Yes, it's women education. Beta, it's a reading comprehension passage. We need not learn anything. Just a rough reading is what is needed. Because when I ask you questions, you can tell me that, ma'am, please show us that paragraph. Let's go back to this, go back to that. So there's nothing to learn in this. Just a rough idea. So we have got a rough idea that this paragraph is all about. It is about
Women's education.
anything else you could understand? Anything else after reading this you could conclude, or you felt that this point is very clear in this?
Ma'am, like the progress of a specific country
Ma'am,
upgraded
development
on-
of the society can be done
can't be upgraded only just
by
by
educating women.
Okay, so basically what they're trying to say is that the society can be improved only if the women are educated. This is one point which is coming from you people. Okay, now I told you earlier also that I picked up a difficult topic, difficult comprehension. Now please read this. From various committees and commissions up to the 7th paragraph. Start reading quickly.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, for a while, may you up the passage? One thing I have to say. मैम ऊपर कर दिए थोड़ा सा एक चीज देखनी थी.
बेटा अभी पहले आगे का पढ़ो. Then I'll again go back
Okay.
from the beginning. When we discuss the questions, I'll show you the paragraphs again.
Okay.
Just now read this various committee commissions, 5th, 6th and 7th paragraph. It's just to read, nothing to learn. Again, I'm saying nothing to learn.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Have we read? If you want more time, you can take a few more minutes. No issues. Okay, many students have already raised their hands that they have read. It's actually reading, children, not learning. So we should not take time to, so much of time we will not spend on this. And why I'm telling you this is, take it as a way of solving comprehension in exams also. You need not waste your time in going into details. Just roughly scan it, read it, and decide what is the passage all about. That is it. No need to go into details. Chali, let's go forward and see what is there. Now we're going to start discussing the questions. It's an MCQ based question paper for you people. Mention any two attributes of a modern woman. Read all the options. If you want me to go back, I'll go back. We can discuss the answers side by side. Mention any two attributes of a modern woman. Okay, all of you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a lot of confusion. Huh? Okay, Paritosh says he knows the answer. Paritosh, tell me the answer. Two attributes of a modern woman.
Ma'am, the first attribute of a modern woman is that she thinks logically. She applies logic in all of she in her life. She has a very rational mind. And the second attribute is that she holds her private and domestic her domestic and work domain separately.
Beta, do you agree with this answer? Children, I'm asking all of you, do you agree with this answer? Two attributes of a modern woman? Come on, yes or no? Read.
Not
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second point.
Yes, Beta?
Education and awareness.
Ma'am, not the second point. On the first
Not the
ma'am.
second point,
Ma'am.
because if you go to the first paragraph and read what is given in the first paragraph, see what is written. Today's woman is a highly self-directed person, alive to the sense of her dignity, importance of her functions in the private domestic domain and the public domain of the world of work. Women are rational in approach, careful in handling situations, and want to do things as best as possible. So you can pick up any two attributes from this. Self-directed, Devansh, beta, do not write on the screen. Then sense of
Ma'am, by
dignity.
mistake it is.
Chalo, never
Because
mind.
my phone is
Private
hacked now.
domestic
I'm
domain,
hacking.
that point also we can take it. Chalo, be careful now. It's okay. So I would certainly give marks to this child, Paritosh, because there are many attributes of a modern woman, 5, 6 of them mentioned, and you can select any two. No doubt you can have a different answer because there are 5, 6 attributes mentioned for a modern woman over here. So there is no problem if you have a different answer, but his answer is correct. Okay, Paritosh, you get 1 point. Why are women's participation and empowerment considered necessary? Who would give me this answer? Why are women's participation and empowerment considered necessary? Tell me. Who would speak? Who would give this answer? Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, can you please scroll up to the first paragraph?
Sure. I'll show you the first, second, third paragraphs. Remember the question, why are women participation and empowerment considered necessary? Whoever gets the answer,
Ma'am?
please let me know.
Ma'am, for the overall development of our country, it is necessary to provide education.
Ma'am, we can also say that, ma'am, for the
No,
overall
this is
development
not
of a
the
woman
exact
and
answer.
excuse me, ma'am.
The
Yes,
progress
beta.
of society would
Ma'am, we
only
can say that
prosper if
to overall development
if
of the women's and she should be socially developed. That's why it is necessary.
Ma'am,
Okay, let's go back to the question, beta. Not exactly. The answer is still not exact. Look at the question, words in the question. Participation and empowerment. These are the words. Both of the things should be ensured. Participation and empowerment. How can it be? Why do we need to have the participation also and empowerment also?
Ma'am, we need to have
To provide
participation.
equal
Women
rights.
constitutes almost
Yes.
half of the
Ma'am, to provide equal rights
population,
for
so they
Society will
Okay.
only progress if the status of women is respected, and presence of educated women in the family would ensure the education of the family.
Read the first paragraph again, children, nicely. I'm asking you why the participation and the empowerment of women is important. See the question again. I'm still not got the exact answer.
society's
Why
most
are
threatening
women's
social,
participation and empowerment considered necessary?
ma'am, society's most threatening social, economic, and political problems could be solved, could not be found without the participation and empowerment of women.
This is the exact answer. Too good. Beta dekho, look for the keywords. In such paragraphs, they're very confusing. And also remember that whenever you'll go for competitions, any competitions or jobs, you'll come across comprehension passages. So you have to be very careful here. See, it is very clearly written. Look at these words. Empowerment is also there, participation is also there. So it is society's most threatening social, economic, and political problems cannot be found. The solution to these problems cannot be found without participation and empowerment of the women. Good. So it has got 1 point now. Let's move forward. Be very particular in these passages. Which factors adversely affect the education of girls? What do you mean by adversely? Favorable or against?
Badly.
Yes. Something which is not
Ma'am,
favorable, isn't it? Yes.
ma'am, like early marriages, not proper
Um,
education, and
First,
we
let
can
us
say
stick to the passage. Whenever questions are given, it is written on the basis of your knowledge of reading the comprehension. So I want the answer from the comprehension only. Giving you 1
ma'am, it
minute.
is
Let me know the
Ma'am,
answer.
because of oppressive
Ma'am,
tradition,
56th paragraph
exploit.
it is.
Fourth paragraph, please.
yes, ma'am. In fourth
Please
paragraph.
scroll
Fourth
down.
paragraph. Take down the fourth paragraph, children. See the fourth paragraph.
No, ma'am, not in fourth paragraph.
It's in the
Yes,
second, I
ma'am, it is
think.
not here.
I mean, second, I
Which
think.
one you want me?
No,
You
ma'am.
want
Ma'am,
me to
fifth.
show you the
Please
fifth
scroll
one?
down.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth say you want
Ma'am,
to go
scroll
down.
down. It's
Okay.
fifth or sixth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you take this. See this also. See.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fifth
it is
paragraph, first
Paragraph.
line.
Negative
it is
attitude
there the
towards
early
sending girl to
marriages,
school,
old age,
restriction on their
illiteracy,
mobility,
and
early marriages, poverty, and
negative
illiteracy of
attitude towards
parents.
the yes, ma'am.
Domestic
Aside the
You
participation
got
of
the answer
education.
very
Yes,
clearly. You
ma'am.
got the answer very clear. Very good. This time you hit the bullseye. Exact answer has come to me. Very good. You have given the specific. Like in comprehension, it is always hitting the bullseye. We say we don't have to beat around the bush. We want the precise answers. By what process can we remove the sense of inequality of sexes from the minds of the people? I'll keep scrolling. You read the question again. By what
Ma'am,
process can we
By
remove the
giving
sense of
the
Ma'am,
right
inequality?
educational
to
system.
women.
And here it is.
Seventh
Now you can
paragraph.
see.
In
ma'am,
the
by the
seventh paragraph
education we
is
can
the
also
answer.
Ma'am,
remove.
educational system.
The
Ma'am, by
educational
educational system
Ma'am,
and by the
educational system
by
of
the
making
only
education which can
the
institution
women's
which can
social.
perpetuate the
counteract the deep
foundation of the
foundation
We
of
inequality
can
of
also say
sexes,
that
equality of
socially
which
we
are
sexes
built in the
built
minds
in
of
the
the
mind
people.
of people through the
Help it
socialization
so
educate
that
process.
they can
inequality
Okay. As we said,
in
practice makes a
genders.
man perfect. Now you're getting the exact answers. Very good. This answer is perfectly correct. Let me move on to the next one.
Ma'am, fourth
What
question.
benefits did the women get with the enactment of the Panchayati Raj Act? What benefits did they get?
Ma'am, they got 30%
they
of
get
reservation.
30% of the
30% of
seats in the
reservation in
seat in the
village
village,
and block
village
panchayats
panchayat,
and Jila
blocks
Parishad.
and Jila Panchayat through the country.
Iti gave us the first answer here, but everybody has given the exact answer. Two good children. By what process this we have done? When and where was the fourth World Conference of Women held?
Beijing
Ma'am, it
1991.
Beijing
Beijing
1990.
Beijing
1991.
1991.
Oh, good, good.
1995.
Let's see who is correct over here, because I also don't remember which year it was, which paragraph. Let's check. Was it 91?
1995.
1995.
1995.
Let's check. It's 91 or 95. Which paragraph it is?
Ma'am,
It's
first
in the first one.
First.
It's
Ma'am,
95.
it's in first.
Ma'am, it's
95 only.
95.
1995.
Fourth word consequence
1995.
is 1995. Very good. It's
Yes, ma'am.
1995. You remember this? Two good children. Okay. Now, pick out the words from the passage which mean the same as the following: cruel and unfair. It's written para 2, so I'm going to para 2 for you people. Please see. Cruel and unfair.
Oppressive.
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 Yes, ma'am.
It is
Oppressive.
Who gave the
Oppressive.
first answer? Who was it who spoke first?
Uditi.
Okay. Very good. Oppressive is the correct answer, Mansi Uditi. Now remove. The word is remove and the para is 3. Let's go to para 3.
Eradicate.
Eradicate.
Yes, ma'am. Eradicate.
Indicate.
Where is it? Acha, it's written eradicate. I thought you just
Sorry.
guessed it. Next, full of people. Para 4. Full of
Populous.
people.
Populist.
Which line is this word?
Populous.
Tell me, where is it in para 4?
Most populous.
Which sentence? Which line, beta?
No, it's
Where is it in
not the-
para 4? I'm not
no,
finding
it's not
this
in the
word
fourth
para-
paragraph.
I'm the
But I think
most
the-
popular state.
See. But according to them, full of people, para 4.
I'm UP,
Yes.
before UP, MP, and Bihar.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Last
Populous.
third
Populous
line.
state. Ma'am, last third line.
Most populous state. Ma'am, the third last line.
Yes, perfect,
UP,
perfect. So
Last line, ma'am.
the second, yes, the second part of para 4 had the answer. Change radically, para 7. Tell me, change radically, para 7.
Ma'am, revolutionize.
Revolutionize.
Excellent.
Revolutionize.
Ma'am, revolutionize.
Revolutionize.
Too good. This is the correct answer. It is revolutionize. Okay, too good. You people are very smart. Now, let's do this very quickly. For many years now, the government have been promising the eradication of child labor. So we're going to read the first 2 paragraphs of child labor. Read quickly, raise your hands. It's just reading, beta.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of rhetoric?
Later. When we're doing comprehensions, no meanings to be told. I told you that day how to guess words. Okay, very quickly, 3rd and 4th and 5th. Though I'll tell you the meaning, but as of now, no. Devansh, have you read somewhere smoking is hazardous for health?
Yes, ma'am.
तो hazardous
In
मतलब
the-
समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Hazardous आ गया तो non hazardous उसका उल्टा?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Residual in first
Yes,
paragraph. I'm
this is
asking.
how we guess. This is how we guess. Okay. Now continue
Okay,
reading.
ma'am.
Read quickly. I'll scroll down, beta. Should we start discussing? Iti, Soumya and Devansh already done. Children, should we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. On which two counts has the government not succeeded so far in respect of children? On what two counts has the government not succeeded so far in respect of children? I can scroll up for you people. Whatever you want to see, you can see.
Ma'am, in first para,
Okay.
number 1 point is
Yes.
that government has not eradicated child labor in hazardous industries in India. And the
Very
second
good.
point is that
Primary
the
education.
government has not ensured compulsory primary education for every Indian
Yes,
child.
excellent. Very good. Eradication of child labor in hazardous conditions. And second is to ensure compulsory primary education. Perfect. Too good. Okay. What makes the implementation of child labor law difficult?
Each state has different child labor
Because
laws,
every
age
Ma'am, because
restriction.
of
Ma'am,
poverty, we
each
can
state has
answer it.
different rules
Poverty, we can
regarding the
say.
minimum age of
Perfect.
employment.
Perfect.
This makes implementation
So,
of these laws
you
difficult.
people have got the correct answer. Who was this boy who spoke first?
Paritosh.
Okay, Paritosh, very good. Where were you all these months? We were missing you. You're a good student. That means you're not coming for classes. Now, first time I'm feeling your presence in the class. Where
No,
do
ma'am, I have
industries
attended
prefer?
previously.
But then I think comprehensions is your strength. You've been not been so active otherwise. Very good, beta. Why do industries prefer child labor? Chale.
Ma'am, fourth para.
Ma'am, fourth para.
And
Ma'am,
because they
they
are
are
Fourth para.
Ma'am, because of their nimble
Ma'am.
fingers, high level of
Yes, ma'am.
concentration,
Ma'am, high
capacity
level of
to work hard
concentration
at extremely low wages.
And
and symbolize the
wages.
work.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, girls. Very good. Especially who gave this answer first? This girl, child. Who is this?
Ma'am, Soni.
Okay, very good. Too good. Chaliye. Let's move on to the next one. What are the adverse effects of the hazardous industries on children? Any two hazardous adverse effects you have to
Ma'am,
tell me.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
bronchial
TB.
diseases in
Ma'am,
TB.
first is
And poison
TB.
TB.
And second is
Bronchial
and
diseases,
second
my
is
work
TB,
mind,
limbs
I
also will
was
not work properly.
last
Bronchial
Thursday.
diseases also happen.
mental and physical
Yes, the
problems.
limbs
And
become
their limbs
deformed.
become deformed.
There are so many things. They've given me
And
bronchial
bronchial
diseases, the
diseases
limbs
also.
become deformed. Good.
They
What does the Supreme Court's directive of 1997 provide? Let's see where it is. Supreme Court directive. Where it is.
Ma'am, eight.
para.
Hmm.
Eighth
What is it?
para.
Answer.
Ma'am, it lays down punitive action against employers of child labor.
Employers of child labor.
Only compulsory primary education can eliminate child labor.
Very good. So we've got this answer. An action to be taken against employers of child labor. Okay. What are the main reasons for the prevalence of child labor in India? Which paragraph should I show you?
Ma'am, more than 280 million people in India live below the poverty line. So, and most of them are women-headed. So,
So
they are forced to
work.
send their children to work.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Women-headed families have no option but to push the little ones in this hostile conditions. Excellent, children. Too good. Very quick. Okay, find the word from the passage which mean the same. Risky, dangerous. Para 1.
Hazardous.
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 बेटा ये तो देख
Hazardous.
लें कि word है भी. You people have just guessed it. Oh, very good. It is there. Too good. चलिए, next is very unfriendly. Para 5. Very unfriendly. Para 5. Tell me the answer.
Hostile.
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 Excellent, excellent. Intended as punishment. Para 8.
Punitive.
Yes, it is punitive.
Punitive.
Excellent. Continue indefinitely. Para 7. Continue indefinitely. Para 7. Continue indefinitely. Look for the word.
Permanently.
Perpetuates.
Compelled.
Compelled.
But I'm not getting the word. Which one are you saying?
Compelled.
No, I think it's permanently.
Ma'am,
Permanent.
perpetuates.
No, it's permanently. I don't know.
Continue indefinitely. That is permanently. No doubt. Okay, it's a little confusing, but otherwise it's absolutely fine. You'll be able to do this. There's nothing difficult in this. So, but I picked up a little higher level, and the good part is you people could do it very nicely. This is really nice that you can do it. Two good children. Okay. Now, without showing you anything, let me see how much is your memory skills. Okay. Can we have memory skill checking?
Yes, ma'am.
How many
Yes,
child
ma'am.
workers were mentioned? How many child workers were mentioned in Jammu and Kashmir alone?
80,000.
80,000. Very
80,000.
good. Too good. Too good. I'm very happy. Very good. Very good. Okay. According to the Child Labor Act, which was passed in the year, which year it was?
1986.
1986.
1986.
Very good. I'm really impressed. Too good. Panchayati Act, which year it was?
1993.
1996. 1996.
Oh,
Three.
very good. Very good. That you remember. The female literacy rate has gone from 0.6% to
39.39.
39.
It was 39 point something. I don't
39.2.
remember exactly.
39.29.
Very
Yeah.
good, very good. According to Panchayati Raj Act, how much percent of reservation is given to women?
30%.
30%.
Very good. Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. It was passed in which year?
1986.
1986.
Which year it was? 1986.
6.
6.
Very good, very good, very good. How many million children are still working and do not go to school?
280 million.
280 million.
280 million.
Ma'am,
280
it's not-
millions? No.